Hello, it's currently Friday of 24th of November, and today our agenda is to look for a new apartment because I am moving out in this little space over here. Alam mo, may napapansin akong I'll just put you guys here. May napapansin akong parang routine every time I go back from Bangkok. Every time I travel to Bangkok. Tapos pagbalik, lagi akong naglilipat ng address or like lagi akong nagmo-move out or nagmo-move in into a new place. It's always like that. It's the third time. Parang actually, maybe, well, this is just coincidence. Pero third time na ito nangyari. First was 2019. So, my current trip last week and this week, look at me now, looking for a new apartment. So, this time, ako na lang talaga, like, I have no roommates now. So, living alone vlogs, watch out. Ngayon, I'm kinda anxious. Sana may mahanap akong apartment na pasok sa budget. Wala naman tayong pang kondo-kondo. My gosh. I hope you guys can come with me today as I look for a new apartment. I fighting! Loft Castle. Ouch. Wow, ay, nice. Yeah, may bed.
Yan yung bed.
Smells new. Ganda kasi may mirror. Ay, may mirror window.
Read from you.
Ito yung sinasabi ko sa yung mag-branch 2 namin.
Jesus, ako ang pinakamagaling. Pero all you can. Lagyan mo yung loob. Mabilis yan tayo. All you can lang. Ay, lakihan mo yung black below para mahaba.
Okay na. Dito na. Okay na. Ang pangit.
Sa kanya perfect pero maliit lang. Okay na yan, madami pa.
Friends, thank you po.
Nag-iingalo na.
Nasa lupa ng dali.
Subo.
Crap. Masarap chocolate.
Gusto ko pa rin yung avocado.
Ako din.
Ako ube. The best.
Ano yung galing? Perfect.
Oh, perfect. Boss yung nagpicture. Ang boss nagpipicture.
1 point.
Ang cute! Where the serving spoon?
Ubusin naman natin yung cake.
May laway ko.
Thank you so much. Picture tayo? Kasya ba tayo?
Ano ba?
Yung may-ari ng phone hindi nakikita.
Ayaw tingin mo na.
Hindi naman kami kita.
Siya naman ang hindi po kita. Cheers mga bading. Okay. Pwede palitan? Parang mo yun? Oh my God. Sige po.
Nabigtan na po ako.
Outside world. Let's
Welcome to the outside world.
ang dancer ng publisher.
Ikaw, di ba makusay?
Papakis. Kiss mo.
Ay, cute!
Oh.
What's your best, guys?
It's my lips.
Pag sumikat ko na, may lips ako sa'yo.
Makibenta ko kayo na yung mga...
Ayaw!
Post to yun.
Kinis niya to. May video pa. If you could see that
I'm sorry.
love with me. Kinis na siya. She's leaving us. She's leaving us. Wait. Where's your... Bye, girl.
We're doing.
Yeah. We'll meet later. This is my current situation. Bakit ba ang hilig ko sa damit? At ito rin ang nagpapahirap sa aking pag-move out. Yak na lang sa bakla. Today is December 8th and I am obviously nag-echo yung voice ko. I am currently moving out again. I just uploaded a vlog recently about my moving in and now I am moving out again because susunaka. Bye-bye. Apa, yan po may kotse.
Ito lang po yung laman ng ano.
Oh. Mas safe. Let's try. Oh my god. It's so comfy. Para ganyan na. Hindi na ako naalis. Oh my God.
I can't go to work. Work from home.
Si bakla, ito try talaga. Hindi pwedeng hindi matry.
Diba? Nakita niyo
Go.
kung paano ako sumempla.
Okay, try it. Ay, pwedeng ilagay doon. Ang dami.
Iwan
Lagyan.
natin.
Ah, sige. Bakla, may balance ka ha?
Wala kang ano.
Hindi nga. Seryoso, wag na.
Hindi, ito try ko.
Di ba ganyan? Push mo muna.
Tapos,
Teka lang, tanggalin ko yung stand. O, hawakan mo
ito
na.
yung aandar.
Yan ang andar. Okay? Eco mode para mabagal lang.
Makakabag naman to.
Hindi ka makakaba. Ayun na si bakla. Aray ko. Aray ko. Ayun na siya, guys. She's back. Better than ever. Wow. Wow.
Ano? Wala kang bilib sa akin, di ba?
aesthetics, pero talagang...
Nanginginig.
Let's change this. Made it.